this I'm very new to the YouTube community. If you want to learn, this is the Awesome Am Show. This is the 0 subscriber special, which means it's my very first video. Today, for my 0 subscriber special, I'm gonna teach you how to build your own Lego secretary bird. Here are the pieces you need. I'll give you 5 seconds so you can organize them. Pause if you need to. Okay, so now we're going to teach you how to build the secretary bird itself. We're going to do this toad head. What that means is from the ground up. Note, Steve will be right here to supervise. Okay, so step 1 is to make the feet. You take a jumbo plate in yellow. Get a dome. Get a cone brick in gold, and then take a 1x1 brick in black and set it like that. Do the same with the other yellow jumbo plate. There we go. And we got that. Now we're going to build the body with tail. Take the 2x2 with with curved piece right there. And then take the 2x2 in white, 2x4 plate in white like this, and do this. And now you can take a 1x2 brick and 1x2 plate in black, and then do this. Now you have the body and tail. What you're going to do is attach the legs like this. I'll close it so you can see. Like this. We'll set the secretary bird right here. Now we're going to build the wings. Take this piece, turn it over like this. Actually, we'll do the other wing. Turn it over like this. And then grab a black tooth plate and then simply attach it like this. And now you're going to take a vertical 1x1 clip plate and attach it like this. Now we're going to do the same with the other wing. Do this, and then this. Now we have both wings. Now get these spaced bar plates and then attach them here and here. And now do this. And then do the same with the other wing. Now the neck is extremely easy. First you take a 1x2 plate in white, then take a white jumbo plate and do that. And then you attach the neck to the body. Now we're going to build the head of the secretary bird. Take your 2x3 light gray, and then we'll start on the beak. Get the other white jumbo plate. Sorry if Steve fell down. And then get the dandelion tooth plate and put it on like this. Then you're going to get the triangular 1x1 plate like this and then set it on here like that. Now we're going to build the eyes, which take a 1x2 plate in red and add to transparent blue 1x1 circles plate, and then take a good, whoa, sorry about that. I'll just go and get it. I'll do some music. I can Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, it took a while for me to find it. As I was saying, take a 1x2 and 1x2 plate in red and then top it off like that. Now we're going to build the rest of the head. Take your 1x2 brick in white and do that, and take your 1x2 2x2 plate, in white, and do that. Now you're going to take the 1x1 horizontal clip pieces and attach them on top of the head like this. Now finally going to do is take this circle right here and take the jumper plate, attach it like this. Okay, so that is the complete secretary bird. And take the I have a secretary bird nest that you can make your own. And then you're going to put your secretary bird in there for a home. This is what your secretary bird will look like in the nest. Okay, that's okay. Like I said, I am new here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure your comments are positive. Make sure to click the like button. And goodbye.